Namaskar dosto, welcome back to Easy Peasy Hindi. In this video, we will learn 100 frequently used Hindi words. We will first show the English word, followed by its Hindi equivalent so that you can learn easily and quickly. And so, let's get started. I is known as मैं in Hindi. You is known as तुम in Hindi. You formal is known as आप in Hindi. He, she or that are referred to as वह in Hindi. This is known as यह in Hindi. What is referred to as क्या in Hindi. क्या. Who is referred to as कौन. Where is referred to as कहाँ. When is known as कब in Hindi. Why is known as क्यों. The words is and are generally referred to as है or हैं. Am is known as हूँ in Hindi. Was masculine would be था and was feminine would be थी. Are is known as हैं in Hindi. To do is करना. To go is जाना. To come आना. To speak बोलना. To see देखना. To hear सुनना. To eat खाना. To drink पीना. To write लिखना. To read पढ़ना. Water is known as पानी पानी. Food is known as खाना. House or home is known as घर. Book is known as किताब किताब. Pen is known as कलम कलम. Man is known as आदमी. Woman is known as औरत. Child, if it's a male child, would be known as बच्चा, and if it's a female child, it is known as बच्ची. Son is known as पुत्र. Daughter is known as पुत्री. Friend is known as दोस्त. Time is known as समय समय. Day is known as दिन. Night is known as रात रात. Morning is known as सुबह. Evening is known as शाम शाम. Good is known as अच्छा. Bad is known as बुरा. Big is known as बड़ा बड़ा. Small is known as छोटा छोटा. New is known as नया. Old is known as पुराना पुराना. Fast or quickly is known as jaldi. Correct is known as sahi. Wrong is known as galat. Up is known as ऊपर. Down is known as नीचे. Inside is called अंदर in Hindi and outside is known as बाहर. Near is known as पास. Far is known as दूर दूर. Yes is known as हाँ. No is known as नहीं. Maybe is known as शायद. Please is known as कृपया. Welcome is known as स्वागत. Today is known as आज आज. Yesterday and tomorrow both are referred to as कल in Hindi. Now is abhi. Mother is माँ और माताजी. Father is पिता और पिताजी. Brother is known as भाई भाई और भैया in Hindi. Sister is known as बहन बहन. Family is known as परिवार परिवार. Male teacher is known as शिक्षक शिक्षक. Female teacher is known as शिक्षिका शिक्षिका. Male student is known as chhatra. Female student is known as chhatra. Doctor is known as vaidya or chikitsak. Neighbor is known as padosi. Door is darwaza. Window is khidki. Road is sadak. Car or vehicle is known as gadi. Market is bazar. Money is known as paisa in Hindi. Work is काम. Rest is आराम. Tired is थका हुआ. Journey is yatra. To refer to something as very or a lot, we would say bahut. Little or less is known as thoda in Hindi. All or everyone are referred to as sab in Hindi. Someone is known as koi in Hindi. Koi. Something is known as kuch. Now is known as ab. Again is known as fir. Together is known as saath. Until is known as tak. For is known as liye. Here is yahan. There is wahan. If is known as agar in Hindi. But is known as lekin. That's why is known as isliye. After is known as baad in Hindi. Use is known as upayog. To address something to him or her is usse. People are known as log in Hindi. And is known as or. Only is known as keval. Enough is known as kafi. And thank you is known as dhanyavad. So friends, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for your time and I'll see you soon with another video. Until next time, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.